How to fix any Instagram bug? Well, fixing an Instagram bug is simple and easy. Now, not only for Instagram, this applies for any apps that you use. The first thing is to always clear the cache of the app. So if you're using Android, you can clear it directly through your phone settings by heading into settings, apps, and under apps head into Instagram, and under it head into stories, and you'll find the option to clear cache. Now on iPhone, that is a bit complicated. You don't get it directly on your settings, you can do it through the app directly. Now, however, if you're unable to do so, you can reinstall the application itself. Now, before reinstalling, there are certain things you can try. That is restarting your device. Now, restarting your device always helps restore and fix any glitches or bugs. So what you can do is you can simply power off your device and turn it back on, and that should help you fix any glitches or bugs. Also, make sure that you update your software if you are using iPhone or Android. If you haven't updated your software for a longer period of time, then the latest version of apps can have compatibility issues with your device. So make sure you update your software as well. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.